Hello out there, distance learners. Geography Talk here again. Today we're working with a physical map of California. Remember that a political map shows the boundaries. So we have the northern boundary of California here and the western boundary here, which actually meets up with the Pacific Ocean. And so a political map shows the towns and the boundaries. A physical map, which is what we're working with today, shows features. So for example, here's the Mojave Desert. Here are the Channel Islands, the Gulf of Santa Catalina, the Santa Barbara Channel. So those are different features. We also have mountains, the Sierra Nevadas, and we have the coastal range right here. And they also included some lakes and some rivers. In our legend, you can see that they included some of those physical features and some of those political features. One item that I'd like to highlight here is the fault line. California has the San Andreas Fault. You may hear in the news from time to time that there was an earthquake in California. And California lies right on top of a line of two tectonic plates. And as they move and as they rub and as they shake, it causes the earth to shake as well, giving an earthquake. They have a couple earthquakes every year. Some are larger and some are smaller. And so they are different every year depending on how much the earth is moving and those plates are moving. So the San Andreas Fault is a long crack that extends more than 800 miles. That's 1,287 kilometers from off the coast of northwestern California to the southeastern part of the state. The movement of land underneath causes small and sometimes larger earthquakes. Earthquakes are sudden, violent shaking of the earth caused by the shifting of the earth's crust. So that is the San Andreas Fault. Now, I told you that this is a physical map, but it also could be considered a geopolitical, meaning it shows the geographic features and some political features of California. So I would probably call this a geopolitical map because it's got the geography and the political features, but it also fits into a physical map because it does show so many physical features, the valleys, the mountains, the deserts, the gulfs of our great state of California. Please notice that there is the compass rose right here, and we're going to talk about this bird in our bonus. I'll give you one little clue. It starts with the letter Q, and he's got this funny little mark on it. I love that bird. He's got that funny little thing right there, and we'll talk more about that in the bonus if you can figure that out. One other highlight I'd like to talk about is the valley here. We have the Sacramento Valley, and we have the Cascade Range, the Sierra Nevada Range, and the Coastal Range. So there is a lot of mountains and valleys, and that will be coming up in one of your questions. That's why I wanted to remember to talk about that. So there you go. Physical map, California.